right, we got a live Hillsong Young and Free. Really fun song. Now this is more of a piano synth type of song. But we just did this song yesterday at our church. And we have two electrics, keyboard player. Our keys, they're just kind of doing chords. So I did the like that lead part on guitar. It's pretty simple, and it's almost for the whole song, except for I think the pre-chorus we're doing something else. Other than that, you're pretty much doing that for the whole song. So I'll play it through and then we'll walk through it. Okay, so it starts on a G, so I'm on 12G, so you could do this there, you could do it on D5, you could do it on E3, kind of all over the place, different options you can choose. So I do it here, so it's kind of a, if you listen to the album, you'll hear kind of the pattern with the, you kind of two hits, So a couple different parts. In the verses, they don't do the little walk up. They don't do that part. They just do that in the chorus. So for most of the song, except the pre-chorus, the verses. So you're doing on the 12th, then down to the 7th, then up to the 9th, back up to the 12th, to the F sharp on the 11th, and that just keeps repeating for the verse. So 12, 7, 9, 9, 12, 11. So after the verse, or the intro, the verse, if it's a really high beat stuff, I'll just kind of let it hang out. I won't staccato it as much if it's more of a, the chorus or whatever. So the pre-chorus, what I like to do, it's got that kind of high-pitched shrill down, 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 down. So what I do is I bar on the 12th here on the G, B, and E strings, and then I use my pinky and I bar across on the B and the E. So you gotta hit this as a G note, a D, and then another G. So it just gives that high-pitched kind of sound. You could also do this down here on the 3rd fret, be on the B and the E string, and just leave the G open. So if you got somebody who's capoed way up, on 5 or 7 even, you can play it relative to the capo. You'd be down here, but it's the same thing, just an octave higher. So what I like to do is I just do it right there. And that's the, 'cause you are my freedom, will lift you higher, your love. And your bass and keys and other guitar will be doing the actual, you are my freedom, lift you higher, your love. So they'll be doing the chord changes to fill up the space while you're up there just doing that. you higher. Your love, your love, your love. So at the end of that, oh, oh, oh. Just build at the end there. You are alive. So at the chorus one, then you have that little kind of walk up thing. You are alive in us. Nothing can take your place. Do, 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 do. So you get to the end here. So you're on the F sharp, 1 on the 12, up to the A, the 14th, back to the 12th. So that's for the chorus. You hear that little, and that's it. You end the song like that on that right on the end of that little run.